Hello, beautiful babes. It's Sweet Angel. To the newcomers, thanks for stopping by. Please feel free to go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell, and that way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And you'll also become one of my beloved beautiful babes. For my bona fide beautiful babes, welcome back, and thank you for your constant support. It means the world to me. Now let's get to today's video. Yes, beautiful babes, today is all about aloe vera, and I wanted to show you how I use aloe vera in my beauty routine for younger, brighter, and glowing skin. You can do this too. We're going to first of all talk about how aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice combats aging. The antioxidants existing in aloe vera, such as vitamin C and E, can help to fight wrinkles by tightening and improving the firmness of the skin. Yes, you can use it for anti-aging. And then, for those of y'all who have oily skin, don't play aloe vera cheap. You can actually use it as a makeup primer. The purpose of a primer is to pretty much serve as a base before applying your foundation. What the aloe vera is going to do is minimize your pores, giving your skin a smooth finish. Primers are definitely a major key for applying makeup, but for those with oily skin, I don't think there has been a primer yet that can help in making sure that their skin doesn't get oily. So this aloe vera is going to help to eliminate the oiliness. The majority of primers also serve as a moisturizer, which is a plus, but it just seems to materialize as more unneeded oil is put on the face. And aloe vera is going to be the key in helping to eliminate some of that oil. Just apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your face and let it dry completely. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. And this will be your go-to primer for my oily skin folks. Definitely. Now, the other thing you can use aloe vera for is as a facial toner. Just apply aloe vera juice as you would any other toner. This is most suitable for oily skin, but can be soothing to sunburned skin or windburned skin as well. It is not recommended for extremely dry skin. If you find aloe vera too drying, dilute it with up to 50% distilled water. And finally, you can use it as a moisturizer. This is how you prepare it. Just simply take 2 simple ingredients, one of course being aloe vera, and the other one is sweet almond oil. You'll take equal parts of the aloe vera gel and sweet almond oil. Mix them well and use this as a moisturizer. How simple is that? Beautiful babes, your girl Sweet Angel coming at you, bringing you something I know you can use. And this is definitely one of those that I know each one of y'all can implement into your beauty routine. Aloe vera in your beauty routine is awesome for younger, brighter, and glowing skin. All right, beautiful babes, I'll be looking for a thumbs up on this video today. I appreciate y'all, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for coming back in again. If you're a newbie, make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified the next time your girl Sweet Angel got a video for you. And right now, beautiful babes, I gotta go. But before I go, promise me you'll do me one more favor. Let everybody know where you're hanging out at. That's right. I want you to tell everybody. You run your mouth about everything else. Why not tell them that Sweet Angel is on YouTube talking about all things beauty? So please share me with your world. And I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.
walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried has built the woman she became. Soft as a whisper, loud as a storm, she's been breaking chains since the day she was born. They tried to silence her truth, but oh, she sings it anyway. With every scar she's proof you can rise after the break. There's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She don't